smells really good in Goodyear. The world's largest food sport event is heating up. It's a day full of free food, entertainment, and even cooking tips. Kylie is live with What's Cooking. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day out here in Goodyear. And take a look at this massive truck, trailer, kitchen, mobile kitchen. I think it's like 70 feet long. This is all in anticipation of the World Food Championships happening in Dallas next month. And so they're actually roaming this truck all around the state. And this is the only stop here in the valley at the neighborhood Walmart here off of Indian School and Litchfield. So we've got Suzanne Clark joining us this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Well, thanks for being here. So you are going to be here today. This is going to be your kitchen. Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, who wouldn't be? Look at this. This is so much fun to cook here, and we're just kind of sharing that Walmart love today and all of our great recipes. We have wonderful recipes, wonderful products to use today.
So you'll be here from noon until 4, and they're going to be up at this kitchen. There's a couple of chefs doing some demos. So speaking of demos, we've got some pancakes that you are making. What are these?
Well, it's breakfast, so we're going to kind of get into our banana foster pancakes. Doesn't that look delicious?
It looks delicious.
And you know what? The best thing is it's so easy to make. I have some melted butter right here in my skillet. I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar.
And how much butter do you have in there?
That is 2 sticks of butter.
2 sticks,
And then we're just going to cook this for a while. For time's sakes, we're going to kind of speed ahead, but that's going to keep on cooking until it gets nice and syrupy. We're going to add some cinnamon, vanilla, and some nuts if you would like to, okay?
I'm all about the nuts.
It makes it so good.
It does.
And then we're just going to stir this until it gets into a beautiful syrup.
So it shouldn't take too long.
Oh, no, not at all. And then we're going to add our bananas at the end just to kind of warm them through. And here we have an example of what we're going to do. And if you would like to do the honors, every child, even the big kids in the house, would love some whipped cream. So we top them off with whipped cream. And doesn't that look like a fun breakfast anybody would want to eat?
There we go.
There you go.
Oh.
All right. Get the whipped cream going. There you go.
I didn't get it. Whipped cream failed. Okay, so yours obviously would look a little prettier than mine, but that's a super easy dish, fun thing to do with the kiddos.
And delicious.
Saturday, Sunday morning.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Now I have another kind of an elevated option between, besides bagels and cream cheese. I have a berries crostini.
Ooh,
sounds a little fancy.
Kind of fancy. So what are you using
but
here?
It's so easy. We are using sliced brioche bread. And if you've never tried it here at the neighborhood market, it is the best thing. It's the best thing since sliced bread, let me tell you.
So it's like a cinnamon brioche.
Yes, you have all different varieties. We have chocolate almond, cinnamon, apple cinnamon. But all we're going to do is toast it, and that's where the crostini part comes in.
Okay, so you have it in the skillet right now.
Yes, we're just toasting little pieces right now, and then we're going to take it and put a nice smear of that cream cheese on top. And now comes the fun part. We're going to take a mixture of fresh berries right here, and we're just going to add some great value balsamic. Now people go, what? You're using balsamic? But it really brings out the flavor of the berries. Wait until you try it. It's really good.
Anything with berries and balsamic, it's kind of a good combo.
Italians have been doing it for years. It is such a good idea. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that with the sugar. Just mix this around, and then we're going to top our brioche bread with that. Now, if I would like to serve this maybe for a wine and cheese party, how about that? I could do the smaller pieces, and then to make it a little elevated, if you just simply add something like fresh herbs to the top, you have an elegant appetizer.
And we've got some basil right there.
Yes, it's so good. It's so good. But today, expect a lot of great recipes, a lot of free samples, and we have inspiration and some great cooking tips for you.
And then coming up in about 30 minutes or so, would you call him a competitor? A friendly chef?
He is one of my best, friendliest competitors that I know.
Yes.
Mr. Chef Anthony Serrano. And he's going to be doing some kebab grillers and some bacon Brussels sprouts. So you have to kind of watch
Stay tuned for that. Okay,
Stay
that's coming
tuned.
Up
we have
at
more fun coming.
Okay, here we go. Can you do this for me?
Okay, ready?
Because I got to do it. I mean, we got to have fun. I'm going on vacation. I'm going to be gone for 12
Okay,
days.
ready?
Go for it. That's what I'm talking about.
Got it.
The best.
You get it.
This is the best
Come on
assignment
down.
ever.
Wow, it is.
You
Very
got some
nice.
whipped cream too, Scotty. Okay, Olivia, Yetta, lots to come.
Kylie, thank you. That's good
Nice
stuff
job.
right there.